다 이야기 때 고속이 Hello, hello. Ada 송사. 아니, ngazu. 디데기라. 고주아. 알았어. 제가 럭터 카직 니스나 자기 균을 라베기 고주기 시작하셔 고토 있어 말해. 나는 신가 파마 니숨스게 lovely chisawe jelani tagya na google class link re link mare so cheda zolang ye sadaw bad kuro che shuye chena din de mane ta danga tar chungi ne ko suwe yi tar chungi salak ban ko sugi google class link ye cheda lobda khal de dula so je gelagi google class ta tanshi whatsapp na lab thugu mena ani de chu shi she dugo re adenge ki google class ki password di 대티시기 안나발링에 주대 유행해도 들다 어디 제가 틱도 막 녹스샷 제가 구글 클래스 아니 플러스 네임 안디나라 파스워드로다 페이지 등그래 안게디 구글 클래스 민커 소남 Math class 6, 7, 8 she konyam to she ngalati zabanga ni tuba timba kyawa to nyam lap chegi aso so na kawai ni digi nangle da de love de aso sta gi de chiro chi shue yi diche ta kazang azu last week we have completed the pair of angles, so we'll continue pair of angles and then we'll do pair of lines kazu sa tu ta sa to chi lo de sina ringboard and de keju perti the goal geometry of the goal the geometry of cha macha like that she's a day to day logic. Okay, so up to now we have completed linear pair. So linear pair, the adjacent angle do that when two angles are said to be adjacent angles, they should have common side, common vertex. The other two arms or non-common arms are on either side of the common arms. Typical condition there that they get lossy. The linear pair the adjacent angle ni domne get the scheduling a linear pair like this. Or sum of two adjacent angles is equals to 180 degree. You call it these two angles are adjacent angles. So the 180 degree number straight angle 180 degree straight line chaguduna and two adjacent angles are linear pair chatu wrestler. The linear pair are vertically opposite angles to the okay, vertical opposite angle the example the stinning. Vertically like that, 16 solid or then Alola, South to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or term much South and chat. Or the class 9 so it's class 7 now, Mamushi love the continuation class 9 to okay, straight the tangsular vertical but right angle material angle line intersect, cut it show a line intersections. Right, you compass the protected, quality level. Many ata. Walking those things. Align those intersection. Cut this intersection in Kaya and you curve the freehand drawing those they perfectly do one of those things or the next catching a Kaya window. Ra, then this tier, the perfect side. I think scale which now so I can call this as a line and this is not a line. These are curves. Okay. So when two lines or rays or lines in line segment lines or line the line when two lines intersect at a point intersect we get four angles. Angle shift from angle shift first angle, second angle, third angle and fourth angle. This is angle shift from Chudesler. Angle shift in Nalo Nesler. Angle Galacado. Angle one the gang opposite kare. Walida. Oh, this is need like vertical opposite angle. Okay, left, right inside angle cardo. Angle number 2. 2 column cardo. Angle number 4. So angle 2 and angle 4 the vertical opposite angle is. So vertical opposite angle karina short from getting the angles in the. Okay, figure the vertical opposite angles. Correct. Pair vertical opposite angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 3 is. Angle 2 and angle 4. For this. Point those two. Point those inches passes through points. Line passes through. Let's say A, B, C, D. This line passes through point A and C, and this line passes through point B and point T. They intersect at point O. They intersect at point O. Angle shift from Chiglasa. The angle shift now angle vertical opposite angle chachaires. But doctor need the rest. Doctor is Gangi doctor, wall leaders. Lavaye show doctor, Lavaye and show leaders. Or do the vertically opposite angle leaders. The angle shift now vertical opposite angle knee leaders. On this figure, angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4. This is a vertical opposite angle areas. The vertical opposite angle continues to cut the thing you do Shavana. Okay, approximately do Skivana. Mala, somewhere around because there. Okay, 48, 49 dollar somewhere around. The angle D. This is, let's say, 48 degrees. The angle D because there. Those angle should not protect the angle measurements. Oh, with the curve this here. Okay. I get 50 to 132 right. I get 132 degrees. The line. Then angle the measuring that. You protected those saying that. Okay. The showing a protect angle measurement. You know, the outer part is 0, or you count from here. Okay, for somewhere around 48 degree. The what in a protect duxede. Then you mentioned it here. There is 0, 10, 22, much now. 130. Okay, 132. So this angle equals to 132 degrees. This right there. The angle sheet now there are 132 degree or 132 degree. Or right angle there. Right sided angle there 48 degree and left sided angle 48 degree. When you add these two angles, we get 180 degree. These two angles are linear pair. When you add these two angles, we get 180 degree. So angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. Or angle 2 and angle 3 are linear pair because sum of these two angles equals to 180 degree. Angle 3 and 4 are linear pair because sum of these two angles equals to 180 degree. And angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Common what is point O, common arm BO. None two common arms A, O and OC are these two are non-common arms and they are on either side. So angle AOB and BOC are adjacent angles. Okay. The figure did not then angle 1 and angle 3 the vertical opposite are. A vertical opposite angle the measurement 132, 132. When two lines intersect, vertical opposite angles. Angles are equal. Line intersection of vertical opposite angle so angle 2 is equal to angle 4 because these two are vertical opposite angle, therefore these two are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because these two angles are vertically opposite angle. If angle 1 equals 150 degree, they 150 degrees. If angle 2 is equal to 70 degree, then angle 4 is also equal to 70. Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So the vertical angle sheet intersect, so line intersection angle sheet form series. Angle sheet number angle ni vertical opposite angles. But doctor ni vertical opposite. Vertical opposite angle ni kadune chikora agres. How's that? Okay. That dibodo. Vertical opposite angles a pair of angles on the down. The vertical opposite angle chikwena. Tama angle sana jor. Let's think into stena. Free and drawing the skill to Let's say this angle equals to 2 degree. Find x, find y, and find z. 두스나. 시키라가 두스다. Okay. The given angle 72 degree da kharchi pare. Angle the gang khalo da. Gang khalo ke opposite kare. Wall khalo ke. So these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Y is equal to nge p shengda. Y is equal to p. Vertical opposite angle. So vertical opposite angle na therefore angle P is equal to angle Y. If angle P is equal to 72 degree, then Y is also equals to 72 degree. To find x and z, either you find the value of x, and then you relate to y, z. First you find z, and then you relate to x. $7 straight teaching or approximately straight angle degree 180 degree, and these two angles are linear pair. So adjacent angle ni domni get the angle linear pair. Straight angle from chiguza and angle ni domna get the gauge like this. Chida ani z plus 72 degree is equal to 180 degree. Cardinals na, and these two angles are linear pair. Straight line form angle need rest linear pair. Okay, that simply equation is equal to 180 minus 72. You subtract, we get 108 degree. Z equals to. If z is equal to 180 degree, what about x? X is also equals to 108 degree because vertically opposite angle. And z is equal to x. Therefore, x is also equal to 180 degree. Two station to what? Vertical opposite angles. Or example, you can that. Find angle A, angle B, find A degree, B degree, and C degree. What is the measurement of A degree, B degree, and C degree? Okay. So the first time I'll try to find A. A say $, those kina hardo. Straight line chaswa. Straight line chaba A da 35 degrees dumna kasra. Get the gauge I get the gauge with the angle to Zuni Kalere, linear pair, adjacent angle. Is that? Think it did that. Right over here, the part. So the angle A plus angle 8 or 8 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 180 degree because linear pair. Angle ni domni get straight angle chak dos. So that adjacent angle dizuni and linear pair does. Okay. The A means therefore A is equal to 180 minus 35, which is equal to 145 degree. A equals to 145 degree. A degree. Okay, A equals to this. Then adjacent vertical opposite angle adjacent angle. Yes, this part. A plus B equals to 180 degree because these two are linear pair. And the 145 na there is 35 degree. 35 did you put out? That is C B plus C, or you can add this two. 35 plus angle C equals to 180 degree linear pair. Distortion degree. Shinzo. That is go on this Mongo Yamogot sometime. I'm not D35 na, but you B35. B is equal to 35 degree. If A equals to 145 degree na, and then C is also equals to 145 degrees. Because these two are vertical opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. A vertically opposite angle is okay. Then a ratio got talk with the Marach, okay. Okay, do this skinning. Not mouth. Landing da. Okay, let's do it. Line into sir. Okay. This angle equals to 2x and this angle equals to 3x. You are asked to find P and Q. Offer that offer that. Okay. Find the measurement of P and Q. So angle P, the angle Q measurement says that. And this chart will hint criteria we have 2x and 3x here. Okay. This straight line chart. So what do you think about these two angles? And these two angles are linear pair. A linear pair na khadar. This is new na. Get the okay. In she get this part there. 2x plus 3x. Kasha they deleting here. Then she get cut popsa equals to 180. Okay, linear pair tas. The angle to zuni linear pair. Linear pair na get the kitchen. Oh, get the kitchen na x with x measurement symbols. Kaya P the Q symbol. P is equal to 2x and Q is equal to 3x. Vertical opposite angle. In the one x measurement symbol. You know. Okay. So if when add this to we get 5x equals to 180. So divided by x, so 5 divided by 5. So x is equal to, if you add, we get 30, 15, 36, or 36 there. X is equal to 36 degree. Now 2x give measurement of the P said angle P is equal to 2x. These two are vertical opposite angle. Okay, vertical opposite angle. Therefore, angle P is equal to 2 and value of x is equal to 36. So we get 72 degree to side. The angle Q value is 3x value. Angle 3Q is equal to 3x, vertical opposite angle. Q is equal to 3x. This is not it. Vertical opposite. Kashi short from kare VO8 here. Angle A ras first letter VO8 here. Okay. Next, angle Q is equal to 3 multiplied by 36, which is to 108 degree. Check out with this state measurement. Then the idea is the ratio are in the ratio of 2 is to 3 degree. 2 che, 3 che, and common factor the x no to ratio not taking here. Okay. Then ratio example sitting down here. Right? Space time is somebody in this subinda. The last example check and this is about main topic pair of angles model and test lecture. That angle minga to. That's it. The ratio of angle P or Q to QR or R is equal to, let's say 5 is to 4 to stare. Find angle SOR and angle EOS. Or what is the measurement of angle PO? So SOR and POS. Or find angle. Remember that find angle SOR measurement degree POS measurement. Giving also P or Q the Q or R give measurement that in ratio. The ratio of the fraction in lowest form the ratio 5:4 the indusna. Okay, standard form now chair. Simple form ne the. Okay, multiply khari ne kya the multiply by 2 chana, the multiply by 2 equivalent jara 5 and 4 multiply by 10 na, you multiply by 10. Con phải cắt tao, con phải cắt tao the answer đi, để 5 and 4. So con lowest form से ba SCF cắt तो क्या SCF तो खरी में शुंगा मर, so SCF the assumption x में शायद ना. So given figure देने शेयर remove pop up. Angle POQ nya dua ratio nya dide. POQ the correspond to story respectively. So the angle POQ the 5 na 5 conflict x generated or y correction kept here I'll mark y. So the na Q O R the 4 na you write 4 y to see 4 y to ratio kid the market and variable down the conflict variable chick da. Okay, that is straight angle that thing you mentioned is stored. Straight angle the first step you find value of y na kazutta the 5y plus 4y is equal to 180 degree linear pair. And angle SOR symbol ang ang 5y value ko ta POS symbol ang 4y value ko. So 5y plus 4y equals to 9y equal to 180 or divided by 9 divided by 9. Y is equal to 20 degree to start y. The y 20 na because chat 5 multiplied by 20 which is equal to 100 and this becomes 4 multiplied by 20 which is equal to 80 degree. Now 80 degree this is POS is equal to. Therefore angle POS is equal to 80 degree because these two are vertical over the angle and SOR is equal to 100 degree because these two angles are vertical over the angle. So this much nyamduti. Opposite angles. Oh, then a pair of angles southing that me. Now we shift to pair of lines. The geometric practice the monks show the vertical opposite angle than the linear pair test practice monks see. Okay. That the name of homework is the money. Oh, you are linear pair the vertical opposite angle geometric girl marta. Go more than kid to you have to carry on. Okay. That thing of the pair of angles now the chimanangaki. So pair of lines line as two stores in line you can't storage in Kaya Marsar. You two stores in two songs. Come on, two songs. Line. Oh, come on, line you do see it, line to there. And young line you do some seed. Knew it. Or overlap line less. There overlap all the points are common point, all points are intersected point chat. To go line intersection partner point na line you tongue at that. Okay. That the Zuni puppy, the point puppy in that line Zuni Rochena. Okay, they are intersecting line point 2 are intersecting line. See there. Oh, two lines meet at a point 2 intersecting and they are point of intersection. Point of intersection. See there. And these two lines are intersecting line. A, let's see. B. Okay, C. Or capital letter C. And intersect point is na. Line A, B, and line C intersect at point O. Lower. Intersecting line 2 days last. Ta intersect line mango shoot in intersect to the next line. Okay, next. That is intersecting did ding a gel doing that. Intersecting line kashiza. Okay, intersecting line didn't mango show when I shall. One intersection to that point. Take guessing a line you some in a slot. Let's say do string. Oh, then line you to store it. the saying that Katun Nandara, the gave Chung to the Ba, or other do, they to do. So intersect over here. That another do still. Okay, when these two lines are cut by another line, this cut your thing. Or the line is the line sum here, 3 intersecting line. Okay. P Q intersecting line, you know. Okay. Tadilla line much less so there. Line T showing the smaller line meaning than a small letter line L and line M. We have 3 lines. And over here we also have 3 lines. That didn't know logic. New word stars was line. Stars was line correctly. So I will define over here. That didn't know trans was line left. Trans was line bar. A line that cuts 2 or more lines at different points. And a transversal line like this. The example in this PQ a transversal line like it cuts transversal line to the intersect at AB and CD. Point AB the point CD nigala line T towards cut towards. And a cut is a point called point chill cut you. Ponchilla Kachuna and the transversal line number A B. So PQ is not a transversal line. The day in line L, the line M, line T intersects the point longitude to the a different point. Or point nil law to the number and T is called transversal line of line L and line M. The transversal line go to there. Transversal line need the line some Kazini Kawama of line Shabaji cut you do not. Point down model cut such down model cut you and the transversal line later. The transversal line models. CDC or CD is not a transversal line. And CDAB the QBD point intersection. Did CDC de la transversal line mata. Inji point card lower transversal. The lower intersection the badus later. The line transversal chege a line intersect the ma must cut like this. That the abutala. That the near geometrical outdoors. I won't consider. Thank the color page now. Okay. Then an angle causes from this. When transversal line passes through 2 line L and line M china ngala angle causes from this. I'll mark angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. Get Nangorchim, I do sugar to network. I got a lot of the inlet among the sugar chair, but I could get them a sugar to get a new community against the sugar chubudus. Another number in the bar, Nango Tavangula, Nango do story. Well, I just to make your mark and the break your mark that took 2 smarter, Corta, complete order. Angle mean tail like okay, your mark, figure it. Okay. Tanga dos layers. Angle gave from $2. The Gala Shida, while she from $2. Gandhar point intersection dena and angle 1 angle 3 la vertical opposite angle. Angle 4 and angle 2 la vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle la angle equal is 4 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Thing as vertical opposite ya ki da like use it. Okay. The dina alone next color. This kachana angle 1 and angle 2 is straight either. So angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. Therefore sum of these two angles are equal. Dejina angle 2 and angle 3 are linear pair. So because sum of these two angles straight angle. That's it. straight line form together, angle 4 and angle 3 are adjacent angle. That is the angle 4 and angle 1 are adjacent angle. That's what you get to the vertical opposite dini, the vertical opposite k marta. Vertical opposite angle linear pedi particular intersection, two lines intersect at a point in a and she is vertical opposite angle da linear pair is nice. One loga nilina or loga vertical opposite angle da linear pair loga to okay. Telling it I want Malam in okay. That angle gave from Chizwa, angle gave from Chinalone, position Chigo in Badula, a corresponding angle. The thick chicks are corresponding angles. Corresponding to down as one position Chigo in the corresponding, she said, corresponding parts later. Okay, they're in the same position. The angle in the same position. Position Chigo in the with respect to line and transversal. Tangata into skin. You do spoke with them with the okay. That transversal show the news also we have angle 1, 4, 5, and 8. We have 4 angles. Transversal sujo the angle. We have 4 angles. Angle 2, 3, 6, 8. They were in the same side. The right side of transversal we have 4 angles, and left side and right side of transversal we have 4 angles. There are 2, 3, 6, 7. Let's all they are on the same side of the transversal. That didn't alone corresponding a card. Didn't alone line L Gana cardes. Transversal sujo left side. Left side of transversal we have 1, 4, 5, 8. That on line L Gana cardo. Angle 1 doa or sujo transversal sujo line M Gana cardo. We have angle 5. Okay, got it. Transfer sujo line L Gana, line M Gana. Line di Gana are transversal left side. You got it. Angle 1 and angle 5. Or this is a cross pair of corresponding angles later. So corresponding angles now is a pair of corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angles. That is the angle 1 and angle 5. That's transfer dinner 1, 4, 5, 8 dinner line L wala, line M wala. Line L wala, angle 4, line M wala, angle 8. 4 and angle 8. Pair of corresponding angles. That's Sujita. You move to the right side. Right hand side. Or transfer we have angle 2, angle 3, angle 6, angle 7. Oh, this is shin alone line L Gangla, line M Gangla cardo. Angle 2 and angle 6. And angle 6. That answer line M L wala, line M wala cardo. Angle 3 and angle 7. Oh, this is pair zula and corresponding angles. Okay. The dogjo in badala alternate angles. Okay, alternate angle now dogjo in badala chulo nanglo yoreslar. Dogjo opposite dress the paina su gaina wa ra opposite transfer pose angle transfer sujo angle. Line L wala, line M gala. Wag opposite gang. Or this is alternate angle. It's a pair alternate. That pair alternate angle la near. Something interior dunda. Alternate interior angles or interior alternate angles. Alternate interior angles and interior alternate angles. Okay. Interior ba nanglo. That transfer nanglo karde. Line L the M ki nanglo karde tada. Nanglo angle karde. This up. This up nanglo karde. That part is a line in the parallel karde angle 4, 3, 6, 5. line ni parallel de leso this kena 4 3 6 5 angle 시도 이들 interior angle 들 angle 시도 칠로 가다 line ni 칠로 1 2 8 7 어들 exterior angle 이다 interior line ni parallel 체 line ni 칠로 비더라 exterior 저는 interior alternate angle 다 독서도 line m 기 transfer 기 투지 observer transfer 퍼제 l 기 와라 m 기 강라 transfer 기 투지 transfer 투지 observer transfer 기 퍼제 m 기 와라 observer 강라 so these two are alternate angles 자 angle 4 and angle 6 interior alternate angle chart 다시 뭐니 가도 angle 3지 transfer 퍼제 transfer 쓰죠 m 기 강라 m 기 와라 so angle 3 and angle 5 interior 다 질러다 질러가도 transfer 기 쓰죠 transfer 기 퍼제 가도 m 기 강라 l 기 강라 m 기 와라 so angle 7 and angle 1 are exterior alternate angles exterior alternate angles correct angle 1 and angle 7 is yes 다 당시 angle transfer 쓰지 angle 2 transfer 퍼제 angle 8 줄로 l 이강라 m 기 와라 so these two are exterior alternate angles angle 뭐때 시행 대좀 봐 다다 뭐 디버드가 시험 보신다 alternate angle 다 corresponding angle 시험 보시고 안디 중에 나눠도 이게 루무스 두고 되니까 이제 신긴다 너무 거같아 이게 루무스 숨긴다 또 트랜스퍼스 라인이나 가려나 오케이 라인이라 어니를 망할라 포인트 로가 통해들라 트랜스퍼스 라인 되겠다 오케이 저는 얘기 듣지나 okay these two lines since are intersected by another line point data one is point so this line is called transverse line so I'll mark this as transverse line and this is L and this is M 이런다 line L 다 line M so the intersection money angle gap form 시도 so I'll mark this as angle A B C R D I'll mark this as angle 1 angle 2 angle 3 and angle 4 딱 하겠다니 first the pair of corresponding angles 시험이야 write the pair of corresponding angles 두 단무디 new 되셔 interior alternate angle interior 숨바 되게 튄다 of alternate 그때 좋아하시다 okay first corresponding angles 된다 corresponding angle 봐 position 찍고 알았어 transverse 당보다 transverse 와 삼다 transverse 와 가다 A D 3 2다 뜻이 나오네 position 찍고 이겨 line 기 되지 line 기 되지 가도 angle A and angle 3 and angle 3 transverse 쓰지 transverse 쓰지 angle D and the D and angle 2. That transfer gang good. Transfer gang card. We have four angles B, C, 4, 1. Then alone corresponding angle card. line L gi paje line M gi paje suje this then sunniga cho direction jigda transfer gang do angle B and angle 4 and angle 4 angle B dash and band chasare or angle B and angle 4 third angle C the corresponding card angle 1 or the corresponding angles pair cards pair shear the corresponding pair shears alternate angle pair shear is a pair shear dan lo ne nanglo imba card as interior alternate angles ba line parallel angle card in line parallel means this we have angle D, angle C, angle 4, angle 3. These are interior angles. So we have 4 interior angles and 4 exterior angles. Line the parallel interior che line parallel never to the exterior. The line parallel get the alternate opposite also or suji opposite paje dini do or line ki wala line ki kangala khalide angle D da angle 4 D and angle 4 there is ta transfer kangala transfer wala kado C and angle 3 this angle C and angle 3 interior alternate the opposite exterior exterior kado chuwa okay transfer wala transfer kangala M ki suje M ki paje kado angle A angle 1 A and angle 1 okay B ditchada B the launch B the kado transfer kangala transfer wala okay suje paje so B and 2 kado converting the angle B and angle 2 are exterior alternate angle or alternate exterior angle. That's what the avoidance of this chance will do last part more than alone. Interior alone do the interior alternate angle to the interior chance. Okay, get to do that. Lela way to get to stew. Okay. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The angle gate nalone line the parallel carrigote. Line the parallel card, tiny parallel, line tiny parallel card, angle the story. Okay, these 4 angles are called interior angles. The interior angle din alone chochigo ikorde transfer sujo hado chochigo ikorde transfer sujo hado angle 4 and angle 6 da transfer pajo hado angle 3 and angle 5 or these are interior angles on same side of transfer lead. Interior angles on same side of transversal. Just a transversal. Oh, there are angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6 same side of transversal. Angle 3 the angle 6 interior angles on alternate angles interior alternate opposite sides in the alternate angle. Angle 4 the angle 5 the interior alternate angles like that. 3 the 5 same side interior angle same side. 4 and 6 are interior angles on same side to there. The line is transfer intersection is that in alone okay parallel lines in asla. The first step parallel line definition class 6 we learned what parallel line means in class 6. The definition class 6 ta khaja meets the point. Intersection is the other. Meet does not do not intersect or that does not intersect. Line matungin la ani parallel line like that. Then both the plane din both chundar. Yet the storage ning. When we produce, how can you produce it? Oh, to say that to mean tire. The definition. The line in to mean tar to la carta, you have to find the gap between these two, a perpendicular distance between these two. Okay, this upon this. Okay, distance between two lines. Upon you distance between two lines. The change the two lines will going to meet at certain point or intersect at certain point. Cases the then the two lines will not intersect at a point. Okay, that's space changes now. That is you have to find the distance between two lines. When you talk about distance, perpendicular distance lower. Remain constant, change machine. Remain constant. Then two lines are said to be lines. I say give the L and M L is parallel to M. And this is parallel to Tongar. Is parallel to. Line L is parallel to M. Not parallel, but to scarcity. Not parallel. Okay. The line is parallel. Example is with the 5 centimeter. The 5 centimeter. Must give say to about space changes. Not put the plane change. You board the plane chung tower. मतलब the full ground they plane chung line intersect the chung tadba. So then the money cause of gap says this between two sides. Gap and gap they remain constant there. Anja take duna and line parallel das. Ko two mars. Raja them change duna. Then ba chair duna and the dinma they to work. Then chu duna and I'm going to dinma to do is large. Okay, that line is parallel by nasla. Tampa parallel goes to okay. That is constant dana and line parallel das. A line parallel to the line motto in the parallel like this. Line motto produce chine two make it neither parallel. Must line to the 2 minute plane the tatung maris. Cheta meza must depart distance series. Or distance the constant go to Minduna and line the parallel wrestler. Okay. Then come on to say Dimat to put such in that. The cover chip the cover to maso, partes lesser. I'll tropically hearted. Okay. The line is parallel in bananas. If two parallel lines are intersected, by a transversal. Okay, transversal intersect chigduna careers. Thingy Jansara, line those two that line those intersection aslar. By transversal line, point button intersection at the transversal line or transversal line is short from T. Or intersection, my angle gear like this, right? I mark this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to say that. Angle gear from this. Angle gate now a pair of corresponding angle karna, angle B, angle F, C, G, A, E, D, H slash. Right? Interior alternate angle karna, C, E, D, F the interior alternate. exterior alternate kare B the H, A the G exterior triangle is. Janota. That's interior angle kare na interior angle shears C D E F is. Then on the opposite side alternate kare alternate angle kare C the E alternate angle D the F alternate angle is. Oh, that gives a parallel line the transversal intersection angle get jidan line in transversal intersection angle get from shoulders. Get na parallel line ibana akarle na. Seven hour. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles check pata the line intersect corresponding angle B the angle F. Kuni check pata so corresponding angle B is equal to angle F less. Angle A the angle E check pata F smallish in the angle A is equal to angle E less. That's angle C the angle G check pata angle G equals. That's angle D the angle H equals. H equals. The corresponding angle equals. The interior alternate angle current. Alternate angles are equal. Alternate angle equals. Corresponding angle equals. Alternate angle equals. Alternate angle kare nanglo alternate angle kare angle D da angle F equals. D is equal to angle F equals. Nanglo opposite angle C da angle E equals. Exterior angle kare angle B da angle S equals. Or angle A da angle G equals. G. Dela exterior is. Exterior alternate angle se dela interior alternate angle chikora reslar ta dene ma shu to maso da shegi che digora nga tsuji ko ra ati ta maso gonda shu yi kana dene ete stop irum do ta an dene ma ani ya google class now jangde yong mo te lab shegi ra a shen ba do ni ki ke yen ke stikri ti shiro chi shu yi an gonda ang lob sen de ta maso didn't march in the exercise around the kitchen, which you exercise around until the chick down tears until down some mare. Then I never let go 2 days, and bye bye,